Hello, everyone. Welcome to the On Time on Target, a play of the day. We have four screens in front of you. We have the SPY all the way to the left on a 1-minute chart. Obviously, we're in the red a little bit as far as the futures. 5 seconds to the open. We have a long in blockchain. We have a long in marijuana. And we have a short in COTY, which is what I want to focus on right now. Is this short in COTY? So it's a little bit out of our 5 to 10% gap window. But what I would like to see, if it just continues to fall, we're going to have to say we missed it. But if it backs up here, I would like to see it get up to the 720, 730 range and then turn around and drop from there to be able to get into it. If you look and that's called a setup. So anyhow, you have the earnings number here. This is the conference call down at the bottom. It is backing up like I had hoped. So we're going to look for a 10-cent stop. So the high of the day, a lot of volume in this. So we want it to set the high of the day, and then we want to set our stop above that and enter it 10 cents below it, which would already be where we're at. No boy, I'm not so excited to hop in here on minute one because I'm not sure it's done going higher. So it's already looking like it's going to be a little tricky here. Okay, it indeed is not done going higher. So we want this to go higher so we get a better entry point. And we want to kind of, again, show up like that reverse waterfall, right? We want to go up here, and we want it for like a minute to stay in the same like penny or two range before it turns around and falls off. So again, not in this trade yet, but I do like the way it's setting up. If you look at the first minute, that's a short cover of 1.25 million shares. Okay, so look, you see any attempt at shorting this you'd have been blown out of it already because of a lack of patience. So again, hoping it chills out before it just stripes down so we can get an entry here. Not really ready to take it yet. If we take it in here, there's no way we can cover the high of the day, right? It's just too far gone. So still working that entry. MJ looking good long. Blockchain is not looking good. We'll switch over to the other one, which is MSTR. All right, I do like this move here. So let's get an entry at 720 with a 730 stop. So pretty tight stop. There we go. If you got it, more than likely entered around that 717 or so, but we're going to call it good. 730 is your stop. You can still take it here at the 717 range if you can get it. First one is 710 for our first R, and then 7, and then out of the trade at 690, which is what we're holding out for. Again, if you got it late, you can hold on to it for a few more pennies to make sure you get your 3R. Get the arrow in here. So again, looking at how you entered that, it's you wait and you have to be patient for it to kind of be done going up. But you have that red bar was the sign that gave me, it's like, okay, well, we got to enter here. We can't cover all the way up to the top of the day. It's just too much of far of a stop. So there we go. We are out of the trade. So what, 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes into the day. And this is a beautiful short. So entered in here, even if you picked it up late, you've already got your 3R. It looks like it's going down to 4R. I wouldn't hold any of this. I'd be out. This is what's called an ugly entry. So I call it at 720. And by the time you actually get it in there, you may have been down in the 717. It's like, okay, if it's ugly going in, then you just take your 3R and then go out. Again, this is a 4R trade here where we are at the bottom.